Have you ever wanted to get pegged by a kobold? This is the meat that's gonna skeet down your street. So welcome class to Fantasy Mating 101. I hope you've gotten your one-pay access to the mating manual, which you can get access by getting the Ruby Gold subscription as we develop it and get your own species in it, or get your original character in my manga series. Because the mating manual will be on your final exam, so let's talk about kobolds for a second. Kobolds share a ton of similarities in terms of their aggression and their hunting tactics, except their breeding is completely different. And one of the immediate things that we can all recognize that is different between kobolds and goblins is the fact that kobolds have zero interest when it comes to mating with other species. In fact, unlike goblins, if you were to walk into a camp completely naked, they would show more interest in killing you than sleeping with you. Because kobolds have no ability to reproduce with another race, whether that be a human man trying to impregnate a kobold woman or the vice versa. But there is one exception to this. And if you've read my graphic novel, The Devil's Deal, you will notice a special race. That's right, we're talking about the Brimborn. And that's because this race has a special ability to breed with any other race. But outside of that race, kobolds only have an interest in mating with females. And whenever they are ready to mate, these little men will dogpile on her. She will let the males fight it out to see which one is worthy of siring pups with her. And one of the most fascinating things about kobolds is women have the ability to go and give birth 6 weeks after initial impregnation. And with how many pups they can churn out, kobolds should be presenting a much bigger threat. So why don't they? Well, that is because despite giving birth to so many pups, any that the mother deems as not fit, she will actually consume. And so about 60% of each litter a mother will end up eating. And then once a kobold has reached adolescence, if the pack leader has found that that kobold has not contributed enough, they will actually kill the adolescent kobold and then feed them to the rest of the pack in order for them to get more energy so that they can then raise better, healthier pups. So it is truly only the strongest survive in kobold life. So I hope you've taken notes, as we will have a quiz tomorrow. And to secure your copy of the mating manual, make sure you go ahead and join the Ruby Gold tier for your opportunity to see the development, give feedback, and pick a race to go in it or get an original character in the series.